Hey guys, this is Martin, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch, the OLED version. I'm super excited about this. I have never had a Switch. This is my first Switch. Switch has been around for quite some time, so I think it's high time I got myself one. So let's take a look at the box. So this is the front. This would be the back. One side, another side. At the bottom there is, I guess, the cereal or something. It says there's the 7-inch OLED model inside with a dock with a LAN port. I guess that's new since they put it there, and a new adjustable stand. There are some pictures of ways how you can use it. So I guess separate Joy-Cons or together with this middle, or completely like that. So let's open the box. I have no clue what's inside. I haven't seen any unboxing videos yet. Ooh, well, it's a cute little presentation. So this is what it looks. I'll put the box on the side and I'll get out the different pieces. So this is one. And wow, this is the Switch. It's so cute. Looks like a little tablet. A little, I would say, a little cheap tablet, but it's kind of cute. This dock feels solid. I saw one video on Jerry Rig Everything, and there he says it's actually from metal, so that's nice. There's a little bit of funny flex in the middle, I have to say. It's kind of weird, but the screen looks cute. There's the volume rocker over here, power button, the card slot, and at the bottom there's the USB-C. So this is the Switch. What else do we have here? So at the top there are the Joy-Cons. It's a whole panel to take out. Okay, so at the bottom there's a little bit of paperwork for Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite, so I guess it's the same as the one before. And here are the two little Joy-Cons, nothing else on the inside, just that. So let me put that on the side and take out the little Joy-Cons. They feel quite nice. I have never held these in my hands before. I'm not sure how I feel about the different placement of the joysticks. I'd probably prefer them. Hard to say, but yeah, feels nice. A little bit Game Boy-y, not very like proper console like feeling. Okay, let's see if I can put these on the side. So this is one side. Okay, clicks in nicely. On the second one, ooh, okay, now it feels hefty. No real flex, a little bit flex in those joints over there, but feels nice. Although, honestly, I wouldn't say it's super ergonomic. No, if I compare this to like GameCube controllers, especially this part, I don't feel like I have any support over here. Nothing to properly, you know, grab it in. But yeah, it's a really cute console. Kind of, yeah, makes sense. Let's see what else we have inside. So let's continue with the bottom part. This looks like the dock. So it's coming in this bubble thingy and yet another thingy. Okay, and this is the dock. It's like a little plastic housing. Oh, okay, you can take this off, this back side. In the back there is AC adapter port, which is simply USB-C. The next one is HDMI out, and the last one is LAN port. So those are over there. I guess the same as the other Switch. And let's see what it feels like when it goes inside. I guess this is the front part. Okay. Kind of wobbly. Not sure how I feel about that. Little toy-like, I would say. Should it click in some way? No, that's it. Just goes in. Okay. I guess it just stands, right? Okay, continuing on. Here we have, what is this? Okay, this is the HDMI cable. Next we have the power brick, the USB-C charging brick. Let's see how long this cable is. Looks like a fairly sturdy USB-C cable. I'd say 1.5 meters, 2 meter stops. Let's check the HDMI cable. I don't think this is HDMI 2.1. Looks like cheap HDMI 1.4 or something cable, but then again, it's hard to say unless you've really tested it. Yeah, I would say again about 2 meters long. And last but not least, oh no, 2 more things. So what is this? Oh right, okay. So this is the grip I was imagining those controllers to have. So I guess when you take these off, how does that work? Okay. Oh, okay. Press that. Put it over here and take that up and put it over there. All right, this feels so much better. Honestly, this feels perfect. So yeah, this feels really nice, I would say. And last thing is, what is it? Oh, 1 lanyard for what? What is this for? Is it for the... Since I don't know Switch at all, I have no idea what it's for, huh? My bad. Is it for this? Okay, maybe, or no. Have I messed this up? Oh. Uh-oh. I probably have messed this up. Sorry. Okay, so trying to figure these yet again. 5 minutes later, I found the second one in the box. And they look like they should fit somehow with these. Are they called Joy-Cons? I believe they're called Joy-Cons. I'm so new at this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so I guess this is, there's a plus and plus sign, and there is a, is there a minus? There is a minus and minus sign. All right. So this makes like a little controller thingy. That's cute. That's really cute. Okay, so I guess that's about it. I have a little bit more to unbox. So I bought this cover carrying case thing. I have no idea if it's gonna fit. They don't really say if it fits. I know that there is a screen cover thing, which definitely doesn't fit, but hopefully at least the cover thing fits. So let me try to take this off. What is this? Okay, so there's some, damn, how does this, okay. So let me put that, I'm so new to this, okay. It's like, first time. Now, let's see if it fits inside. That's a little mystery to me. Okay. Oh, perfect. Wow. That's just about perfect. I don't know what else should fit there. Maybe these things. Maybe they should go inside. I don't know. No, probably not really. There's not much space. I think this is just for the games, if you have any. This little pouch. But maybe it's supposed to be a stand. Okay, I guess that's like a stand. Cute. Yeah, no, this is perfect. No place for these, no place for that, or the charging brick thing. It's just for the console, but I think, yeah, it's plenty. You don't need more. And I have one game, Super Mario Odyssey. Because I do have the Zelda game for my old Wii U. So I thought, no, I'm not gonna buy the same game twice. Let me open this. Oh. I have never unwrapped a Nintendo Switch game before. These are rather cute. No paperwork inside. Just this teeny tiny cartridge, which looks like a weird SD card. And let's see how this goes inside. Okay, so I see that this is here. Does it open from the top? Oh yeah, opens from the top. It's like a little flippy thing. Okay, and this just goes there, and that's it. All right, guys, this has been an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED in white. The Nintendo case, what is it actually called officially? Nintendo Switch carrying case and screen protector, as well as Super Mario Odyssey. Thank you for watching.